In today's video, Bitcoin has just printed a massive trade alert. This is going to help you so much in deciding if you should buy more right now, if you should sell and buy back lower, exactly what you should do. We just printed a brand new color. You can see it right here. All of that and more broken down in today's video. Welcome in. My name is Steve. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Everybody hit the thumbs up button. Major news right now. As of right now, we are launching a massive blowout sale. A massive blowout sale to celebrate our company birthday and my son's birthday. But listen closely. There are only limited seats because the sale is so massive at 61.8% off. You need to hurry. The last time that we had limited seats only, they filled up so quickly, everyone was begging to get in. This time, they're gonna fill up quicker. You go act right now. Go act right now. Lock in your seat before the seats are filled and the prices increase. Go lock in your seat. This is the opportunity you've been waiting for. I'm talking to you. It's me and you. I'm talking to you. This is the opportunity you've been waiting for. 61.8% off, limited seats. Go act now. Go pull the trigger. Here is how to sign up. This is your chance to start winning more trades, to start gaining that confidence, to start recovering that losses. This is how you sign up. Go to cryptocrewuniversity.com. You know the link, cryptocrewuniversity.com. It's linked down below. I'll link it here. And this is the quick and easy sign up. Look at how beautiful this is. These are our products right here. You're gonna click right here to sign up to the gold. If you have 1 to 5 years experience in crypto, the gold is for you. It's our top seller. It's the most popular by a mile. If you're really new to crypto, less than 1 year, you're gonna get the diamond right here. That will start you right at step 1. It will take you through all the steps. Massive 61.8% off, limited seats. If you want to read more about exactly what's in each course, click these little check box right here. That'll have all the information. cryptocrewuniversity.com, sign up. It's going to go quick. You've got to go quick. If you make it in time, you're going to be brought to this page to sign up to the incredibly game-changing indicator that we have. Get alerts right to your phone, when to buy, when to sell. Everything is right here. You can see the beautiful layout right here. You're going to click, you're going to scroll down and click add this to my cart. Do that as quickly as possible because there are limited seats, and I'm telling you, right from the bottom of my heart, these are gonna fill up quick. The last time we had limited seats, our website crashed on the first day. So many people were going and they still sold out so quick. So cryptocrewuniversity.com, I can't wait. I'm pumped. It's our company birthday. 3 years ago today, we launched our courses and they've been changing lives ever since. I can't wait to see you on the inside. I know you're super pumped. I can't wait to see you on the inside. Now, let's jump into this video. We've got a lot to cover here. As we said earlier, we just printed this brand new color. We just printed a brand new color here. I want to break down exactly what it means, okay? Because this is a really under the radar circumstance here. Not many people are talking about this. And after today's video, you're going to have such a clear picture about what these next handful of months are going to look like and what you should be doing right now. A lot of people are really locked into the day-to-day, the 4 hour, the 1 hour, but this will put it in perspective. This is where you're gonna make all your money or lose all your money on these big market moves, okay? So let's break it down. What we have here is the 200-week moving average heat map. What does that mean? Well, we have the 200-week moving average as this little purple line down below. If you've been watching our videos for years, this is what we used to really cheat a little bit because we were up here at $7,000 or so, and we were there for months and months and months, and we used that to predict the market. We were forming a descending triangle and we had a death cross, and we said, look, we're probably going down right to the 200-week moving average, and that's exactly what we did. That move caught everybody by surprise, but we cheated a little bit. We looked left, we used logic, we used reason, and we looked at only the facts and the charts. So that's the 200-week moving average is at the bottom. Why this is incredibly important is this chart right here will show you the market tops and market bottoms broken down into easy identifiable colors. blue and purple. The darker the color, it means we're at a market bottom. When we're near or at a market bottom, that's when you want to be adding to your position more than you've ever added before. Those are the major opportunities. You can see the blue and purple here back in 2015, 2014. You could see that's where we were near the 200-week moving average and the darker colors. Same thing if you go back here. The purple is the best. That's when we were at back in 2012, right? We were at this 200-week moving average and the dark blues and purples, market bottom. And then fast forward to our recent bottoms right here. Back in 2018 and 2019, you can see the dark blues and slight purples there. Those are the market bottoms. That's when you really want to be adding to your position. So this chart alone will break it down so easily and so simply. And now we're going to get to the selling piece. But before we do, let's continue on. You can see back in March 2020, that's when we touched down. We were still in these blue areas. So these blue areas last for a period of time. These are market cycles. And I want you to start to better understand these market cycles because that's when you'll start to really 5x and 10x your money. It may sound crazy, but if you just make a couple small tweaks in your portfolio, that's what can happen if it's done very smart and very wisely while controlling emotions. You can see for an extended period of time, we hold in these darker colors, whether they're blue or purple or some shade of those. We held from November 2014 all the way until May 2017. So for a couple years, we were in these darker colors here, showing that basically if you bought any time during this period, you look like a superhero a few years from then, right? So same back in our current state, right? You can see our current state from July 2018 all the way until December 2020. So for a couple years, we were in that blue/purple range. And then the magic starts to happen. When we change to these lighter colors, that's when the market really takes off. Let me explain the colors in a very simple way. We have the 200-week moving average. How do we get these colors? It takes the monthly percentage increase from the 200-week moving average up and uses this chart below to identify what color to place there. Okay, does that make sense? We use the 200-week moving average. The monthly percent increase from the 200-week moving average dictates the color. Okay, so and then the market cycles become so crisp and so clear that you can easily see them. But the key is that transition from these darker colors into the lighter colors, because that's what we've seen for the very first time. Just recently, we printed a brand new color, a light color. But let's get to those cycles because you can see that these, kind of greens and reds, specifically the reds and orange, will mark the market tops, right? You can see we had red, orange here back in 2013. That was the market top. You could see the red/orange here. We can go ahead and zoom in so you can get a better feel. You can see these reds here. These are the market tops, right? This is the market top back in 2013. And we double click and you can come out of this. And this is on lookintobitcoin.com. Highly recommend you jump on there. A lot of beautiful charts. Shout out to them. But these are essentially the market tops. We want to look for these reds, these orange colors, because that's when we want to start taking profits, start taking some profits off the table. That's when we're near an absolute market top. You can see we went from green, to the yellows, these brighter colors, and we just printed our very first non-dark color. This is major. This is major. I haven't seen many people discussing this, but this is major. We can go ahead and zoom into this move that we're in now, and you can see just recently, just January 15th, we just changed colors for the very first time. This is exciting. What does it mean? It means that our super cycle is in reach. It means we can almost touch it. We can almost feel it. Anytime we start moving into these lighter colors, that's when the market doesn't go like this. That's when the market starts to go like this. Okay, you can think about it when you're a kid and you're running down a hill or sledding down the hill. That steepness of the hill tells you how dangerous it could be. And make no mistake about it, Bitcoin gets pretty dangerous when we start moving into this parabolic cycle, things start to go like a rocket ship, okay? The market moves very, very quickly and it waits for nobody to catch up. So what does that mean for you? Well, if we start to understand these market cycles, we can start to put together the fact that, hey, Bitcoin is really starting to heat up. We've moved out of this cycle where, you know, we can call it a consolidation cycle. We can call it what we want, but essentially that's the cycle for this couple-year period where you want to be adding to your positions, okay? You do not want to be selling during these hyper cycles, during these super cycles, for the most part, right? You can take a little profits off the table as you wish on the way up, but essentially, you want to wait for these red colors, these orange colors to print. That way you know, okay, it's time to take my profits off the table. And if you can do those things, you will beat 97% of people in the market, right? It's very hard to do because of emotion. But we just printed this kind of turquoise, we'll call it a turquoise color, but these lighter colors, we printed it before, right? You can see that these colors around here were where we started to get these lighter colors. Back in this June 27 area when Bitcoin was up here at around 3,000 and then again right around this 3,000 area, and this is where we dropped to that 1,800. This is the cycle that we pointed out over the past handful of weeks that we believe we're in, or over the past couple months, and it looks to be just that. It's when the market really starts heating up. So we're gonna keep you up to date on these colors, and as they continue to print new colors, and especially once we get to the orange/red, we will make multiple videos warning you that it's time to be very, very cautious. And unfortunately, when we print these orange/red, that's when everyone will be more bullish than they've ever been before, calling for crazy numbers, but they just will never come. Those will be the market tops. It'll catch everybody by surprise. Most people will be caught with their pants down, unfortunately, and we're here to help keep people level-headed, look at the facts, look left, and just react according to the charts, not according to the news. Okay, so that's our main purpose, is to really help people, and this will start to put it in perspective. You're looking at this chart and you're like, wow, this is the first time that I really see the big picture. I understand we've completed that market cycle bottom where that was the best time to buy. That's finished. Now it's time to really be cautious about selling. We're not quite there yet. The market's going to start moving a lot quicker. We're going to be cognizant of these orange/red. Incredible things happening in this. We will keep you updated. Make sure you subscribe. Let's move on to another chart. I want to cover Ethereum. We've got some major things to talk about with Ethereum in the short term and the long term. We'll just quickly talk about the Twitters. I know you guys are loving the Twitters. Our Twitters has been blowing up. So go follow on Twitters if you have the Twitters. Crypto Crew U. It's exploding there. Go join the fun. We post a lot of stuff there that's not on here. Ethereum. If you follow our videos, you know that last week, or maybe it was the week before, we pointed out that this was an ascending triangle, okay? Which is the exact opposite that we had here. Remember, we told you about this formation from the 20K top to the 6K. That was a descending triangle. We had a high, a lower high, a lower high, a lower high, a lower high, as we maintained our base as support. That's a descending triangle. The high majority of those break to the downside, which again, it caught everybody by surprise. And we were in an ascending triangle, which has resistance at the top and a low, a higher low, a higher low, a higher low into the same level of resistance. These more than often break to the upside. We prepared everybody for that break, and we made those videos when maybe Bitcoin was around, or sorry, Ethereum was around 1,300, and now we've gotten up to almost 1,700. We've seen a beautiful, beautiful move. It's not finished. This move is not finished for Ethereum, but I do want to say, you know, obviously our short-term target is 1857, so we still have some room to grow, but pay attention to this. We have the RSI. We're on the daily chart. On the daily RSI, we had a high of 88, back here on January 8th, right? You can see in the market where we were at that stage. We were at that resistance level. Then we proceeded to print a lower high on January 20th and another lower high back here on January 26th, right? And you can see where we're at today. What we don't want to do is have divergence. Divergence is when we're continuing on price to go from our high, our higher high, our higher high, which we've seen several consecutive high, higher high, higher high, and on our indicator, on our RSI, our high, lower high, right? We don't want to see that. That's divergence. What usually happens with divergence is price will plummet, and potentially we can come back to our base, which is around 1,400. But we can avoid it with the RSI kicking this one to the curb, this 70, we'll call it 73 level. If we get on the daily RSI above a 73, we've null and voided that divergence, meaning we had created a high, our lower high, and this would be our first higher high, changing the trend, changing the direction, and we would void out that need for that divergence to play out and a price dump, okay? So we want to see that on the daily RSI. One thing I do like is the stochastic RSI. Put your eyes right down here. Look at the stochastic RSI on the daily. This tells us that we still have momentum to the upside. If we have momentum to the upside, we should continue to rise with the RSI, and hopefully we're right now at 67. Again, we just want to get above the 73 to null and void the divergence and continue our track up to this 1857, which is only the beginning with Ethereum. I expect Ethereum to catch some people by surprise with this cycle, especially during the super cycle. Ethereum is going to be a darling of the super cycle. And again, one of my favorites. Am I bullish on Ethereum? Look at the hair. Look at it. We're bullish. The hair. You see that? Rocket ship. We're bullish on Ethereum. Ethereum's one of my favorite. But again, we're reacting not on emotion. We're just looking at the facts and the charts. You know, we had another ascending triangle here. We pointed out an ascending triangle forming at 180 back when Ethereum was at 180. If you've been following our videos for a couple years, you remember that call. If you've been following our videos recently, you remember our call back when Ethereum was at 350. We put a major trade alert in at 350 on Ethereum way back in the glory days where this arrow is. You can see this arrow back on your chart here. This 350 was a major trade alert. We had a major trade alert at 180, and then we had these two ascending triangles. So Ethereum is on a roll, so pay close attention, okay? So more updates to come on Ethereum, and I know a lot of you guys love, or I want to cover ADA. A lot of people love XRP. Even though we don't invest in XRP, you can always come to our channel for open and honest feedback. Again, when everyone was calling XRP that XRP was dead on that day, we made a video and said, actually, the charts say that XRP is not dead. In fact, it's par for the course what price action has done. And you can see XRP is up, I don't know, from that point, maybe 120%. So just stay level-headed, stay calm, control your emotions, and only react on the facts and the charts. If you like that type of content, that's what we do here. So hit that subscribe button, hit that thumbs up button. And again, we are celebrating our company birthday. 3 years ago today, we launched our very first version of the courses, and we've been changing lives ever since. Game-changing 61.8% blowout sale to celebrate our company birthday and our son's birthday. So go lock in your seat now before the seats are filled up. There's limited seats because the sale is so enormous. Go lock in your seat now. You have been waiting for this moment. You've been waiting for the moment to have more wins trading. If you like our YouTube videos, our courses are easily 10 to 20 times better. Easily. If you really want to be successful in trading, go get the courses. If you want to be mediocre at trading, you can continue to watch the YouTube videos. You're learning a lot, but Average people fail at trading. You don't want to be mediocre. Our courses will walk you through with every tidbit of information that you need to trade. I've been trading for a bunch of years. I made every mistake in the book, and I want to help you avoid those. You've made a lot of mistakes, and you know that. So you can go over to cryptocareeruniversity.com. Again, get the gold bundle if you've been in crypto 1 to 5 years. 1 to 5 years, gold, top seller, most popular. Click there right now. If you're really new, get the diamond. It's that simple. If you have questions, just email me right here, contact. And again, once you click that sign up, you're gonna be brought right here to scoop up this ridiculous indicator. Just add that right to the cart as quickly as you can because these seats are gonna fill out really, really quickly, okay? So I wanna give a shout out to our community. Everybody that's been following us through the years. Obviously, we started making videos well before our courses. Our courses are now 3 years old. And just thank you from the bottom of my heart for all the continued support, especially when we make some prediction videos that really make a lot of people angry because we're usually on the other side of the fence, and you continue to support us. So just thank you. It's been an incredible journey. I feel honored. I feel blessed. But we're in this together. I'm not building this alone. This is all me and you. So thank you, thank you, thank you, especially for just being on that mission to change 1 million lives. Okay, that's why I'm put on planet Earth, and everyone is really connecting with that. So I can't change 1 million lives alone. I need your help. So thank you, thank you, thank you. Now, if you're a student, I want you to comment down below right now with how my courses have helped impact your life. How my courses have helped change your life. Leave a comment down below. I'm going to read every single one of them. It's time to celebrate. It's our company birthday. It's my son's birthday. Go lock in your seat. If you're already a student, it's time to celebrate in your chair right now. And thank you, thank you, thank you for your continued support. I'm going to try to do another video tomorrow. So make sure you have your notifications on. Peace and love to the fellow underdogs.